Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Too Good To Go Eataly Charcuterie surprise bag. It is actually the second Eataly bag I picked up through Too Good To Go. The first one was a bakery bag, excellent value for money. And today when I saw a charcuterie surprise bag, I jumped at the opportunity. And believe it or not, I almost forgot to pick it up. Now, I work very close to Eataly in Toronto. I had a busy day at work. I'm rushing home. And before it was too late, I remembered. So anyway, let me turn you around and I'll show you what is in this charcuterie bag. This Eataly charcuterie surprise bag was $7.99. Plus HST, which is harmonized sales tax. The total was $9.03. Let's see what is in this charcuterie surprise bag. Okay, take two. I already attempted to film this segment, okay? And I messed it up big time. So let's do this again. This is what they're calling grandpa ham. It would have cost $5.44. It was packed on August 25th, 2023, and it is to be sold by September 1st, 2023. So there you go. Some ham. What else do we have? We have bresaola. Tell me if I'm pronouncing this wrong, which I think I am. The total for this would have been $23.53. Packed on August 24th, 2023, and it's to be sold by September 3rd, 2023. So I am presuming this is, yeah, it's beef. There you go. This is the contents of my Eataly charcuterie bag. Am I happy with it? Yeah, absolutely. I think for what I got a good deal. I'm going to try some of this, and I'm going to put some of it in the freezer, actually, because I'm not going to eat this all by this weekend. I thank you for watching.